All right, guys, here's outfit of the day, but we cannot forget the smell goods, right? Oh my gosh, yes, ma'am. Woo! On the back, underneath. Outfit of the day. I love it, I love it, I love it. Got the kicks. Steve Madden's, by the way. Yeah, let's go. Y'all gotta just remember to do one thing. Just smile. Y'all know what time it is. It's Friday. We're gonna do this again. I was gonna say I'm getting tired of this, but I don't know. We're gonna try it one more time. There's a lot of people kind of in here, but we're not gonna worry about that, y'all. It's 64 degrees today. It's supposed to get up to just 70, and that's why I have on this today. Y'all see these kicks? Yeah, I'll tell y'all about them another day. But I only need one thing. I said at least two. I know I need that to find that pillow cover for my bed and my wallpaper. Oh, excuse me. Oh, he's scared. He scared the crap out of me. He scared the crap out of me. I was gonna say the word S-H-I-T, but she's on a whole nother path. And she really don't cuss. But let's find out if they got. I only need my paper. They playing music too. I need my craft paper. Not my craft paper. I need the wallpaper, and I need the pillowcase for my bed. The pillow cover, that other boucle pillow cover. So I'll let you know if I become successful. She's already successful, but I'm just saying in here. Y'all, it might be a bus. I thought I found it. Oh my God, this is like a you put your I think you put this on your desk and put your computer and stuff on it, or just a yoga mat. I think I might not be finding it today, y'all. All right, guys, no luck on no wallpaper, but I've seen this beautiful picture. I'm surprised nobody picked this up. It's got like natural, beautiful wood, and it's Project, no, it's not Project 60. Yeah, it's Project 62. Absolutely beautiful. So if you were here, it'd be $1. And then this here is pretty, but it got a, so we'll figure out what she's gonna come out here with. I never had a bonnet. This is reversible. So I might get it, and this is the brand. So we'll see about those things. All right, I'll catch you back. I'll call you back later. This is super cute. I got some paint, y'all, right? That can cover this up. I can mix it with the taupe paint and the white paint. This is beautiful. $1. I'm waiting in line, so yeah. Hey vloggies, y'all, I got the opportunity to take y'all to see something great. My son is over here. I'm gonna show you guys why I can. Mama to the rescue, but I want to show y'all this water. Hold on one second. It's so beautiful. Let me turn y'all around. Y'all, this is amazing Lake Erie, okay? Very beautiful. I can't walk down there, it's gonna splash on me, and I ain't trying to get my shoes wet. See, it says caution, slippery when wet. Absolutely beautiful. Y'all, that's my view today. Ain't that a blessing? Look at that. Able to come down here. Yeah. Absolutely beautiful. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all later. But this is absolutely beautiful. Y'all know this is my thing, right? But I came to bless my family member and help and do what's right, and I get to partake and enjoy this good view right here. Hello.
How you
Good. Yeah, guys, look at that. Beautiful. So they're over there, right here, and I'm right there. I'll see you guys later. We are finally home, okay? It has been a whirlwind day. But I'm grateful that I made it home today. So I got to get ready to, I need to light the grill for the other channel, so I'm probably going to take y'all outside so we can do that. But I wanted to go ahead and put my scent boots. Y'all remember these blue ones? I'm going to go ahead and fill this up. That is so pretty, that color. Now y'all, for real, look. This is how much was in there when I got this bottle. This smells so good. This can make the garbage can, recycle bin smell good. But that is so pretty. It smells really, really good though. So I'm gonna put that up. That needed to be taken care of. And then we're gonna go out here and get this grill lit, get it started, okay? Don't be laughing, because y'all know I'm scared of that grill. Y'all know she's scared of the grill, okay? She really is. How did I get down there? How did this fall down? Somebody's been creeping back here. But it's charcoal. I think I showed y'all. Let me show y'all right here. It is charcoal down in here. So I'm going to have to normally I would not do that, but I'm just gonna light this. Hopefully this works, y'all. Because if not, we're gonna be mad because I'm vlogging from my other channel. I probably have to take a clip out of this part and put it in there too. Oh y'all, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Go down in there and see. I don't like messing with no fire. Oh my gosh. And luckily I found this lighter because I don't have lighters and stuff. I don't smoke. Okay, so we got it lit, y'all. We got it lit. Something like the other side. Maybe if I do it like this. Ooh. All right, y'all, we got a fire. All right, y'all, we are here. So I'm actually vlogging for both channels today on Simply Natural Black Life, where y'all see me today, and Simply Black Vegan. So I barbecued, so y'all gonna see that. Y'all will probably see that video before you see this video. I'm gonna try to get this video up by Saturday, or I don't know, and then I'll probably get this video here up before Monday. I'm not sure. Oh, y'all, I'm sorry. Oh my God, sorry. Sorry, it was a potato bug crawling on me. Oh my gosh. But anyway, guys, today was a great day. I'm so glad I'm getting all the things done and out of the way. I done came home, washed my dishes and all that great stuff. So thank you all for your lovely comments. I didn't get to see all, but there's one comment by Malik's. Did y'all get, y'all, if y'all ever go on my page and y'all see that name, I don't know if it's male or female, just don't even, you can click on it. Let me tell you what they did. Because when people are just looking for attention, when they show you who they are, that is just who they are, you know. I forgive you for whatever you're doing, but I'm not going to forget. And then over time, it's going to delete you from my channel. So I don't know who you are. You could be a family member that don't like me. I don't know. But forgiveness is for me. Y'all remember that. Forgiveness is for you. Because what people fail to realize is that people think because you forgive them, you have to be around them. No. Forgive them and keep it moving. You don't have to eat with them. You don't have to socialize with them. You don't have to go to gatherings with them. You don't have to do nothing with them. It makes you feel good because I'm going to tell you how you know you forgive them. When you see them in your company, it doesn't even move you anymore because you don't care. You don't roll with them. You roll solo. That's a good thing about rolling solo. But anyway, that made me think about that. So I don't know who that's for. That is for somebody who's watching. I already know because y'all already be telling me. But people are just sick out here and looking for attention, and this has nothing to do with you. So I don't know what to say. But if you see, I'm going to show y'all. But what I was saying too also was, do y'all remember when I put those fake nails on and then I end up taking them off and I showed y'all on my dresser what they look like in my hands? They took a snippet of that video and put it on their little channel. I guess for somebody to like, get laughs. That's crazy. I am a natural girl. So that don't even faze me. All I could do was just laugh when I seen it. I'm like, really? That's all you got? You got to come more with that. But anyway, this is their channel. So if y'all see that on my page, then y'all know this is the name right here. Okay? So don't pay them no mind because they seeking some type of attention. But guys, the only thing I got from the bins today was, y'all should have known it. She got it. It's so pretty. Like, I didn't know if I wanted to put it here. They'll let me know. Put it there. It looks really nice there. But like I said, it has this little little scratch here, like a little ding, like some of the cement came off of it because it's like ceramic. Some of the stone came off. So y'all already know when I painted that canvas, I can mix a little white with that other color and to give it this color, and then I can turn it around. But it don't matter. And then I got the bonnet. Y'all know I don't got no bonnets. I ain't no bonnet girl, so y'all won't be seeing me outside with this. But this is silk. I think I tried to show y'all the brand. It is Yanni Best. That is the brand, and you can do this adjustable strap here. This is the front, the rose gold taupe color, and then the inside is black, so you can do it. It's reversible. So I got a bonnet. I got a bonnet. She's a part of the bonnet crew, right? All right. I'm just saying. So we'll figure out where we're gonna put this, but I had a couple of places that I wanted to put it, so y'all had to let me know what y'all think. But we ain't gonna stay on here long. We already on here for 4 minutes already, so y'all let me know. Y'all think it goes pretty here? Y'all think it go right here? Really nice? Right here? Without no armor. Like I said, I'm gonna cover that up, but I don't want to put nothing in it. I'm not putting anything in it. It will stay just like it is here. But it's just so pretty how the whole thing looks. And it was just sitting there. I'm like, it was calling my name. Y'all know I'm not trying to be bringing more stuff in here, okay? Because when I get ready to move, I only want one truck to take care of everything, okay? So one more update, and then I'm gonna close this vlog out, y'all. I appreciate y'all for hanging out with me while she shopped today, and y'all got ready with me. Look at here. Y'all see that? How many babies? 1 baby, 2 babies. I'm in there too. So yeah, guys, and thank you, Linda, or whoever that was that said I was motivating them to get houseplants. That was not my intention, because I know a lot of people don't want to take care of a plant. But let me tell you something. Plants, trust me, are your best friend. Are your best friend, okay? Really, honestly. They bring you peace, they bring you love, and they bring you joy. So with that being said, you guys, I'm gonna end this video. I love you all. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video today. I'll see you in the next one. And always remember to do what? Love yourself. Malik's dogs it. Love yourself enough so you'll be able to love others. You're gonna be hating on me and be doing that to me. What's wrong with you? You don't love me? You don't love me? Huh? You don't love me? Huh? You don't love me? Why not? She don't bother nobody. See y'all. Bye.